Haukiba chahi Englishingani kul humdoigi medagi thokiba irang asigi matungda ahanboina tampaki seso singna Thadou Inpi Manipur TIM ki Meehut singbo Imphal da purakhrabasu TIM ki Meehut sing Khwaramban ima kaithal fawba koiba chatke haibada Ministry of Home Affairs na athingba pirakhiba khaknatana house arrest tawbagum hotel lagi Hendok-Handriba asina furup masal gi marakda yanaba puraknaba hotnaragasu MHA gi thawong asina Manipur da Shanti Hanjillakpa Wakhini haina Thadou Inpi Manipur TIM gi president M James Thadou pendaba wafum thamlakli ngasi North AOC da leiba hotel classic da Thadou Inpi Manipur TIM na pangthokiba pawgi mifamda James na makataraduna Manipur da thokliba irang asina maram oiduna chahi ani helaba matungda Imphal da han boina lakpa fangbasi yamna nungaiba fawi khongset asi threat mayam ama thingnaraga lakhibani yamna nungaina lakpadi nate tawriba asisu isagi kanabagi nate integrity of Manipur and peace ki matangda thabak thoram paikhatna balakpani irang mamangda leiramba chawkhat lamjelda mangjin tharamba Manipur gi fibam amuk hanjinba yananaba punna thodang lominanaba leiriba Manipur gi CSO singa punna honaminasi loina ngarangdagi hauna CSO imalup mahirup kayaga punduna mifam pangthokle tampaki miyam na asumna cooperation pinarabadi Shanti soidana Hanjillakani haibasi aset pathajabalai haike khongset asigi matangda Ministry of Home Affairs ki thausilda pendaba kharadi lei Imphal la lakpasida tangdu leitaba hanjinaba angamba thakta honaba haibasi khongset asigi maroiba pandamne adubo Ministry of Home Affairs ki instruction matung ina hotel asidagi Hendok-Handriba asina tampaki atoppa mafam singna chatuna mapal thokna thabak tawgadaba kaya ama thinda hale peace process ta ayet papire haike makoi gi wakalo nasi karino peace hanjin hanba pamdravara hain hangke pamlagadi paikhalakliba thabak thoram singda saugut fam thoi tampaki CSO imalup mahirui lup singbu ngamkhai leitana thagalake aikoi gi marak asida chathok chashin tawbada ayet apan amata leitre adubu Ministry of Home Affairs na mafam asidagi Hendok-Handriba haibasi yamna laibak thibani adubu lakliba chayol ani ahungi manungda amuka hanna Imphal da wari shanagani ngarang pangthokiba mifam adu community understanding amani adubu Thadouga kuki ga wari shanabagi plan hojik fawbdi leitre matang sabada matamdu lakpadi yai haiki
CSO mayam aduga brother and sister mayam bo ngamkhai leitna thagat jari haibidi boina fazana welcome to piraga akoina si Manipur da peace install to bigi work tawjaba phangmasi yam nungai adubo ina haibukumna si akoi marak sida adum movement sida su kaisu problem leinatre adubo home Ministry ki instruction makhada ko sita thammusidi pinjadi haibisena ngasi ichin now media house ki through the public da natraga government da central government amasung state government da thamjaning bane
another round of talks and another round of meeting will be performed in Imphal and then on that basis, we are Thadou Inpi Manipur also preparing for a huge number of members to present in the meeting. Thadou Inpi Manipur is already positive. We want peace. And during 2023, we have a series of meetings with state agency and state media and state leaders. After that, we have come a meeting with Meitei Alliance in Delhi, and after a series of meeting, result Hajarakpa ki ekoi sita lakpani.